The idea of the rubber guard barrier came from a 32-year history of building products from recycled tyres, and obviously our experience in the barrier industry and the problems with the other barriers, we thought a rubber barrier would be perfect. Being made from rubber is extremely durable, so it won't get holes in like the plastic water-filled barriers, won't crack and break like a concrete barrier. We saw the benefit in a barrier that wasn't plastic, wasn't steel, wasn't concrete. The barriers are designed to be deployed by a forklift or a fork truck. They weigh 400 kilograms each. The difference between them and the water-filled barriers, a water-filled barrier is generally put in place by hand. Then you have to organise a water truck and fill those barriers with a lot of water. Then when you remove the water-filled barriers, you have to work out how you're going to get rid of that dirty water. So the rubber barriers are quite simple. It's just a one-step move to transport them there on a truck, unload them and place them with a forklift. It can't be manually moved, therefore preventing risks of manual handling injuries like you would get with water-filled barriers. The rubber guard barrier hasn't been crash tested. The barrier is designed for use in low speed environments such as separation of vehicles and pedestrians on work sites, event management to keep pedestrians out of where the event is, road closures, uses like that. The rubber guard barrier benefits the environment by reducing emissions by recycling. Around 60 car tyres get prevented from going to landfill to build this barrier. So for projects and local governments, it's a huge benefit. It also prevents the use of precious water as compared to water-filled barriers. We buy the bulk crumbed up tyre rubber from a tyre recycler. It's then mixed with a polyurethane binder to bind all the particles together, and then it's set in a mould. The mould then cures for about a day or two, and we pop it out and you get the barrier as you see here. Expected lifespan would be 40 or 50 years at least. Started with the invention of a rubber guidepost made from recycled car tyres, and the product was very successful because it was much more durable than the steel, plastic or timber posts that were used on the side of the road at the time. Find out more about rubber guard barrier, visit our website saferoads.com.au.